Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Semret Russom.
And I'm Robil.
Today we are back with another Tigrinya Tuesday. We're super excited to have you back. It's gonna be tea with us.
It's tea time.
Tea time.
Sha'hi. Sha'hi time.
That's right. Let's get into it, you guys. So if you're new to our channel, welcome. We personally want to say welcome. Right?
Welcome.
And we're excited to have you back to this family. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Also hit the bell button every Tuesday when we upload. You don't miss it, and they'll be really supportive of us. So we appreciate you guys supporting us. So let's get into the program, you guys. All right, guys, as you can see, we have our tea time, whatever, things that we need to make.
Setup.
Our setup for tea. So in Eritrean culture, tea is pretty important, just like our coffee, because we spend time as we drink tea. When somebody comes to your house, the first thing you ask in an Eritrean house is, would you like some Sha'hi or coffee? So today we're gonna be doing tea. It's part of our culture, and also it's used not just for just to drink whatever, but it's considered like a meal, right? Because tea, you can have it in the morning for breakfast, you can have it for a snack in the afternoon, or whenever someone comes. So tea, and then we also use bread, which is the Hebesha. So tea and Hebesha together is part of our culture, so I'm excited to show you guys.
I remember they always had, in between meals at any time, it was always coffee, boon, Sha'hi,
Yes.
and Hebesha was always out. People coming and going, and they just offer you one or the other, both, whatever you want.
Yeah, exactly.
I do remember that the Sha'hi was always, they always had a lot of sugar in it.
Yes.
Shakur.
Where's my
We'll
sugar?
talk about that.
We'll talk about that.
Which is
Yeah,
yummy.
It's very yummy. Actually, like, even me, like, we don't use sugar in our household now here, but when I go back home, I'm like obsessed with Sha'hi. Like, my sister calls me like a gallon, because I'm constantly drinking. But she calls me fridge.
She calls you fridge.
Because I drink a hot, like really hot.
And really fast.
And
She drinks
really
really fast. I
fast.
don't know how she does it. She chugs it.
So my sister thinks I have a cooler inside my mouth. She calls me fridge.
I remember after we would drink either a Sha'hi or a boon, there would be like this much sugar on the bottom of the cup.
Always. And so they use the same sugar, and they pour it on top if you want more. And sometimes if you want more sugar, they'll ask you. If not, you just use a little spoon, mix it up to get your flavor that you want, as far as how much sugar you wanted or you don't want. So
Yeah.
in your case, you don't really care for sugar.
Yeah, I'm not really a big sugar person. But,
Yeah, I know.
but either way, it's always delicious. When in Rome, or when in Asmara, you do what they do.
Exactly. Good job. All right, guys. So as you can see, you need a teapot, and of course, this is an American too. We have.
They don't have that back home.
Yes, they do.
Oh,
Of course.
okay. It just looks different, maybe.
Of course, but it's the same thing.
Yeah.
We have it.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you need some tea bag, this is actually powder. So the original tea back home is powder. So I remember, like, when I went back home the first time and I took American tea bags to my sisters, and they didn't really care for it because they're so used to.
Show them, it says product of Eritrea.
Yeah, this one.
You can see it.
Can you see it? There you go. Shout out to this company that's made in Eritrea. So this is a powder. So you're gonna need teapot. You're gonna need this after a while. Also, what makes it not just any tea is that the ingredients that you make a part of it, right? So we're gonna tell you what it is. I have this whole thing. It's a mixture of a few things. All right, here are the list of things. Obviously, I have it in a jar because I just put it together, but I want to tell you what's in this. Cardamom, cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and ground clove. Actually, it's not grounded, it's regular by itself. And it smells so good, you guys. The tea together, all mixed together, it's really good. So that's what we need. We also need water. And some people like lemon. Myself, I love lemon, so I have lemon or lime, whatever you have at home. And
what about fresh ginger? We don't have it out, but...
Oh, that's right. I don't have fresh ginger. So also ginger. Ginger is good, as you guys know. So we use ginger with our tea as well. And so here's how we're gonna make it, okay?
And then the sugar, you didn't tell them about the sugar.
The sugar is in here. That's after you finish everything. So I'll show you guys how we use it, okay? I'm just gonna use 1 bottle. Yeah. Do you want a lot of tea?
No.
Or Sha'hi, I should say. So one bottle of water. And I'm gonna pour it in here. Oh, I got water running in my arm. That's that. And so I'm gonna make this boil. Once it's boiled, then I'm gonna add a few of this. I'll show you guys how I do it, okay? So I'm gonna get this ready.
How do you boil water?
Of course, back home, a lot of people don't have electricity.
They use little burners and they use just fire.
Just wood too. Of course, some people have electricity now, but majority they don't, so which is amazing, right? I'm gonna put this, I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'll just wait for it to boil.
Does it whistle when it's ready?
I was just gonna say, when it's whistling, I'm gonna add my ingredients, and also I'm gonna add this the last thing because I don't want it to be too strong. Actually, no, I wanna add this almost to the end of it, yes.
All right, well, we'll show
If I'm doing it wrong, you can tell me how to do it down. So this is my way of making Sha'hi, okay? Okay, you guys, so the water is ready, and I'm gonna add my ingredients that I told you guys. Just gonna put a scoop and a little more of everything. Some of this stuff, actually, I got it from Eritrea when we went last time. My mom, I'm obsessed with tea, as you heard. So I told her, I'm like, I want all this stuff. So that's good enough. Does it smell good?
It smells so good.
Yes.
It smells like holiday spice mix. That's probably the nutmeg and cinnamon.
I'm gonna put it back and let it boil a little more, and then we'll make the tea. I'm gonna put some of this in here together, okay? All right, guys, tea is ready. We are gonna, the moment of truth.
This is the moment of truth?
I had to let it sit for a minute, but do you want to try with sugar?
Sure.
Why not?
Do you recommend I have it with sugar?
Yes.
Okay, then I'll do it with sugar.
But you don't have to.
Shakur.
Shakur. That's right. So, okay, there you go. This is the tea that I was showing you guys. So I'm gonna pour it in the cup. So in our tradition, we drink, actually this is not the traditional cup, but clear glass is what they serve you, the tea. So you can see how pretty reddish color it is. Okay, this is not what you need a smaller one to strain the stuff out. I don't have one, I can't find it, so I'm gonna use this, okay? So I'm gonna put it on top of the cup.
This would be for a giant, right?
Right, exactly. Ooh. And the reason is still not.
But it's working.
It's working.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, there's that. And you'll see the stuff on top of the strainer.
That's working great.
Wonderful, perfect.
Look.
Yay!
Look at
It's tea, the color.
Show them all the stuff on there.
So this is why you need a strainer, right? Can you see it? See that? Okay, so we'll put this out of the way.
Cheers.
Hold on, not yet. So here's the tea and the color. How's the color?
Looks great. I think
pretty awesome, right?
It's an amber, kind of an amber hue.
Do you smell it?
Yes.
It smells really good.
It smells great.
So usually in Eritrea, they mix the sugar. Do you want me to mix it for you? So you can kind of taste it. So you go like that. And the same here. Oops, I forgot the things in. All right, hold on. Proper way. You need something, because it's hot, right? You want a place to put it.
Okay.
There you go.
All right, I can taste it now?
Okay.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Do they say cheers in Eritrea?
No.
Oh.
What do you say? Do you say anything?
Well, once someone tastes the tea, you would say a compliment to the person who gave you the tea. You will say "To'om."
Oh yeah.
That's right.
All right.
It
So
means that it tastes good or delicious, whatever. So, To'om Sha'hi.
To'om Sha'hi. Yeah, agnele. It's very good. It's
Very
delicious.
good, right? So that's how actually.
Sha'hi.
It's not. How's it?
It's good. It's very good.
Yeah. So I actually make the tea, and this is one of my favorite things that I make at home because I love Sha'hi tea a lot. So that's how we make tea.
It's sweet. It's herby. It's very hot. It kind of tastes like almost like a holiday spice. There's some of that, like a hot toddy. But it has gosh, I don't even know how to describe it. Like, I would just say it's sweet and it's herbaceous.
Well, the sweet is from the sugar,
Yeah.
but the herbs are. The smell is really incredible. I love the way Sha'hi smells.
Yeah, the smell is amazing.
Yeah.
I would say it's most like it's the nutmeg and the sweetness of the cinnamon. That's what to me comes out a lot, and especially in the smell.
So now that we tried it without lemon, I want us to try it with lemon and see if it makes any difference. So I'll put a drop of lemon, and you can tell me if you like it.
All right.
You ready? So I'm gonna squeeze.
Try not to get any seeds in there though, please.
I'll just put that's enough, right?
You need to stir it?
Yeah, I can stir it. Hold on, I'll do it for you. And this is why we have the little spoon, right?
I can smell it. So yeah, it's good. Now I just got a little bit of a tang in my jaw, but it gives a nice balance.
Yeah.
If you like that, with the spice and the sweet, and there's a lot going on. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a whole thing of not just a hot water and a bag of tea. So it's a process, right? That's what makes it like really fun.
Yeah. That's a good point.
Right?
Sort
Because
of
you can, just like a coffee, our coffee is like a process that we did. If you guys have not checked it out, we have a video of how to make Eritrean coffee ceremony. We have a video we did like about a month. Oh, more than a month. So check that out too. We have a lot of videos, but how to make Eritrean coffee. So it's the same thing. It's like you can make a coffee just by, pressing the button, but because we love family, this is about spending quality time with the people that you love. And so the process makes you kind of wait and sit together and enjoy your company, or a family member visiting you, or just being at home with your family. So that's why we have tea. All right, guys, so we are done. I hope you enjoyed this tea time with us. We love making this kind of video with you guys, sharing my culture, and of course teaching my husband, and soon Delina, and then sharing it with you guys. So if you like it, don't forget to give thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Until next time, take care, you guys. Ciao.
Bye, everyone. Ciao.
Bye.